In this sailing Doodles, we sail north up the Chesapeake, and the crew really starts to come together. This season features Bobby, Allie, and Megan as we cruise around on our 1989 CT56. This channel is made possible by our patrons. Thank you so much. In the last video, we welcomed Allie on board, showed you what off-season upgrades we made, and then we welcomed Megan back to the crew. So we're getting ready to go here today, and so it's letting the engine warm up. Good friend Jeff. Yeah. And that's why you always want to make sure you run your engine for a good 20 minutes before you leave, especially if it's been a while. I think there was a lot of condensation in the fuel tank, and because we've already drained a gallon of water out of the tank, there's a lot of water in the tank. So that's why you want to let your motor warm up, because if you just started off and then started going, well, about this time we would get out there in the center of the way out there is when we'd run the fuel out of the fuel lines, and then we'd get water and we'd be dead sticking. So yeah.
Oh, hello.
Let's go sailing. Come on.
So wait, I should take off. Hold on. I redo that.
What are you doing? Oh, she's looking studious. I got
wait,
you.
Hold on. So as of right now, I am Megan, who works in IT as a business development manager for software companies, and here in a moment I will be Megan Binkley sailing the 7 seas.
All right, Megan Binkley sailing the 7 seas. Let's go. Where's Allie?
Here I am.
Are you ready to go?
I am so ready to go. Let's go do this.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, y'all ready?
We're so ready. Born ready. All the ready.
All right, so one of you is gonna handle the dinghy over there, and you're gonna walk it back. Actually, go forward with it first to try to get it to clear the pole. Don't let me crush it between the pole and the boat. So untie that other red line, yeah. We really enjoyed our time spending the summer at Chesapeake Harbor Marina in Annapolis, but it was time to get off the dock. The plan was to sail north of the Chesapeake and make it to Chesapeake City in the C&D Canal.
I knew you were gonna do that.
How you doing out here?
I'm home.
Yeah? I need to put like a seat up here.
Yeah, it's not near as comfortable as the rough seas, but I'm making do.
Yeah. All right, well, cool. I think we're doing like 50 miles today. I don't know, we'll see. Unfortunately, the wind's out of the north at about 8 knots, which is, you know, the direction we're trying to go. As always, that's the way it goes. So we're just gonna have to motor today. Good wind tomorrow, though. I think we'll have a really good day sailing tomorrow. But today, motoring. We're gonna go all the way up the Chesapeake, up here to the C&D Canal, which is right about there. And we're gonna stop there for the night and then go through the C&D Canal tomorrow over to the Delaware and then down the Delaware. How you doing over there?
Doing so well. So much better than normal.
Yeah, it's nice out here.
It's really good. Like really good.
Sorry no sailing today.
You know, you can't win them all, but I feel like half of sailing is going the exact same direction the wind is coming from and wondering why.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not.
It's always so weird going under bridges. I mean, there's clearly 30, 40 feet at least, I don't know, probably more than that, between us and the bridge. And, you know, it always is a little nerve-wracking, like,
Lighthouse.
hard work at cruising.
I'm working really hard right now. I don't know about you guys. It's
Working
exhausting.
on my tan.
Yeah.
I'm working too. Well, kind of.
All right, so the wind has turned enough that we're about to turn a little more to starboard, so it's probably good enough to put some sails up, so we're gonna do that now. We're just gonna do the mizzen and the Genoa.
In the rough seas with just pure muscle.
Well, now you have that.
I know, because I feel a little bit like I'm cheating myself.
So I'm just gonna turn this into the wind and we're gonna put up the mizzen. All right, let's do it.
I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea.
What do you think of the sails?
Make me cry.
That's Maverick there.
I know. That's why I'm crying.
Sorry, I'm a little deaf.
Hello.
How's it feel?
Feels so good. I'm very content.
You're on your bow perch.
I
It's
am.
not as comfortable though.
It's not, well, it's not as comfortable butt-wise, but ride-wise, it's
Yeah.
much more comfortable.
It's a lot heavier boat, so it doesn't get bounced around as much. It's a rough life cruising with these guys, but I don't know, you tell me, it's not too bad.
We stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like
Doesn't suck, guys.
it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do?
As the sun was setting, we were getting close to Chesapeake City and the C&D Canal.
On the approach.
It's all happening.
Okay, so you have the bow line, forward spring.
Spring's all set up. We're good to go. Motors are out. They're only for now. I'm not for another time.
Yeah. I know, that sunset's beautiful
Red
too.
tonight.
Look at that purple and pink, matches your hair.
Oh, it says it's a little lighthouse thing too.
Oh, like a flying bee.
We stopped at Schaefer's Canal House in Chesapeake City. It's a pretty convenient spot on the way through the C&D Canal.
So we are here aboard SV Naughty Dogs, but up there they are aboard MV Naughty Dancer. We love it.
All right, we made it to Chesapeake City. The restaurant here is really nice, but there's like an hour wait, and we're doing a patron chat tonight. So basically, we're going to talk to our patrons in about an hour, so that wouldn't work. We're going to do like a live chat with them just for them, kind of give them an update on that. So if you're interested in getting the behind the scenes stuff like that, become a patron. Patreon.com/sailingdoodles, or just go to sailingdoodles.com. And you can find the link there. But anyway, so we're just gonna go order some takeout, bring it back to the boat, and then do it here. But hey, it's cheaper booze on the boat anyway. So there you go. All right, guys, we made it.
Yes, we did.
Woo!
The first leg.
Yeah, first leg.
It felt good. I mean, a lot of motoring, but we made it. We did some sailing.
Yeah, we did a little sailing. We'll do better sailing tomorrow.
Yes, we will.
All right, guys, it was a first great day sailing. What do you think? Yeah?
Thought it was.
It was awesome.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank. And we got a lot more to come. So thank you guys for watching. And please click that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Very soon.
It'll be about 5 days for you, but we'll see you tomorrow on the video.
If you'd like early access to our videos, you can go to patreon.com/sailingdoodles to sign up as a patron, and that's one of the perks.